Hello! In this video, I will be explaining one of the most demanded and widely used method of WhatsApp marketing, WhatsApp Virtual. Now, I will be explaining you how it works. In platforms like WhatsApp Virtual, your messages will be sent from a random virtual number. You can send text, message along with an image, PDF, video, Excel, etc. of your choice. Now you must be wondering, what is a virtual number? A virtual number is a number that is non-operational, or you can say that does not exist. And the best part, these numbers will be owned and managed by platform. And if you want to know why people run their WhatsApp marketing campaigns from random virtual number, then you need to understand that WhatsApp's policy does not allow you to send spam bulk or marketing messages to unknown senders from your WhatsApp number. And if you do that, WhatsApp will ban your number and you will never be able to create a WhatsApp account on that number again. That's why people who want to run bulk WhatsApp marketing campaigns use WhatsApp Virtual method for the purpose of marketing, broadcasting, branding, customer acquisition, as well as lead generation. Now that you know what WhatsApp Virtual is, let's dive into a live demo of how to run a campaign. You're now logged into the dashboard. This is how it looks like. Let's go through the main sections one by one. First, credits taken. This shows how many credits have been allocated to your account. Second, credits used. This tracks the total number of credits consumed in your campaign so far. Number 3, total refund. These are the credits refunded to your account for messages that are undelivered or failed. Number 4, credits left. This is the current balance in your account, including both leftover and refunded credits. Now, on to the most important part, the WhatsApp Manager. Click on WhatsApp Manager and you will see 4 key options: Credits, Create Campaign, Contacts, and Message Template. Let's walk through how to create and run a campaign. Step 1. Create a contact list. Click on Contacts, then click the plus icon to create a new list. Give your list a name, for example, Class 12 students, and click Submit. You will be taken to a new page where you can add the contact numbers. Click on the Add button to start adding contact numbers. Make sure all numbers must include the country code without the plus sign. For example, Indian numbers should start with 91, like 9173 782. Let's add few more numbers. I will paste it here. If you miss the country code, your campaign will be rejected. Once you have added all contacts correctly, click Submit. The system will confirm, asking if you have added country codes. Click OK, and your contact list will be saved. Click back to view your contact list summary. You will see total number of contacts, duplicate numbers flagged. They won't be sent multiple times. Options to edit or delete the list. Now that your contact list is ready, let's jump into creating a campaign. Click on Create Campaign. Let's begin by clicking the plus button to create a new campaign. Step 1. Name your campaign. Enter a title for your campaign. This is for your reference only and not visible to recipients. Let's say we name it College Admission. Step 2. Contact list. Choose the contact list you created earlier from the drop-down. Step 3. Upload media. You can upload media from here. You can add up to 2 files, each up to 10 MB. Supported formats included images, audio, video, PDF, Word, or Excel. Step 4. Write your message. Type your message here. You can write up to 1500 characters. Feel free to include a URL to redirect recipients to a specific web page or wherever you wish. Here you can type or paste your message directly, or use the Get Caption feature to load a message from your saved message template. Once everything is set, click on Schedule. Your campaign will move through 3 stages: queued, running, and then completed. Once submitted, your campaign will first appear as queued. Once it starts, it will change into running. And finally, when the delivery is done, it will show completed. Campaign usually completes within 1 hour, but during peak times, which is very rare, It may take up to 24 hours. You can monitor all campaign statuses in real time. After campaign delivery, you can download the full report from here. The report includes sent messages, failed deliveries, and invalid numbers. Any failed or invalid messages will be refunded automatically. To make things even faster, you can create message templates. Just add a title and the text message, then save. Next time you run a campaign, you can simply select your saved template. No need to retype. You have now mastered the art of using WhatsApp virtual platform to run efficient and effective marketing campaigns. Thanks for watching.